In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Gemini on the Nintendo Switch too. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings. Then on System Settings, you want to go to Internet and you want to click on Internet Settings. Then we're going to select the Wi-Fi and we're going to click on Change Settings, and we're going to scroll down where it says DNS Settings, and we're going to switch it from automatic to manual. Then what we're going to do, if this is your first time at you, it should say 000.000.000.000, and you want to change it to this 045.055.142.122. We're going to click on OK and we're going to click on Save. Then we're going to select the Wi-Fi again and we're going to click on Connect to this network. We're going to click on OK. And we're going to click on Google. Then on Google, we're going to type in Google Gemini. And we're going to click on OK. Then right here it says gemini.google.com. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on Accept All. And yes, guys, that's how you get Google Gemini on the Nintendo Switch too.